Hey YouTubes, we're going on another adventuring vlog. This time we're actually going to get to our destination.
Yep.
So we're taking a bit of a trip, not too far one, but it's a bit. We're going to go all the way to a place called the Devil's Tunnel, or I know it as the abandoned railroad tracks.
Yeah.
Where supposedly some girl got brutally murdered and her ghost haunts the cave.
There's like 4 or 5 different stories. The one I heard originally was like a train blew up and a bunch of people died. I've heard the one with the girl who got molested and ripped up and everything else in there.
It's actually a thing I've explored 2 or 3 times on my own, never found anything. Yeah. I found out the girl being murdered in their story and her body being hidden there was complete bullcrap through investigation. Honestly, I don't think it's haunted, but I mean, maybe we'll get something on camera for you guys.
Yeah, if you ever want us to do this at night, I have night vision on this camera actually, so we can actually go through and we can see stuff like ghost hunters or taps.
Most of this film probably will be in dark because the cave's dark. It goes on quite a while.
I think we might have enough light to get through. I'm not positive on that, but we'll definitely try.
What's cool about it is only like the first half of it is actually like concrete, like tunnelness, and the rest of it's just natural rock and just some wood beams. There's some holes in it you could really look and know where to go.
It's really cool in the winter when like the ice forms. It's really pretty in there.
I've never done that.
More dangerous.
I've never done that, but I would like to try that in the future.
I don't mind doing that. Again, that's kind of fun.
We're gonna make a few stops on the way to get to this spot, just to, you know, take some stills, show you guys some stuff, and then those spots might actually be adventures in the future when we have more time and the heat isn't like 90 billion degrees.
It's 92 degrees where we are right now, but the temperature feels like 106 according to my phone about 10 minutes ago. So it's hot.
We're melting right now just doing this for you.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the store, grab some drinks. I don't think we can take you in there with us, but we'll meet you guys back in the car.
You'll see us in the parking lot before and after. Okay.
What's up, guys?
Yep.
You might need car keys to drive. Not in the future yet. Keys to drive.
Bye, boss. Peace out.
What's up, guys? So we just stopped at our favorite convenience store, Cumbies. Not a sponsor.
Hex yeah.
Not a sponsor. Could be a sponsor. Will you sponsor us? But we're on our way to the tunnel now. Sorry for this weird shot.
We're driving in a car.
Yeah.
It's cool.
I'm recording. He's driving, so we're playing it safe, guys. Don't worry about it.
It's because I'm the only one who could drive.
That's true.
Legalities. He ran over a family.
I did. Twice. They call me, no, I'm not gonna make that joke. Never mind.
They called him a poopy butthead.
Yep. So what'd you get for your flavor of slushing?
I got the sour apple and the purple palooza.
I call that the 90s bundle.
It's kind of like Barney because it's a big green and blue monstrosity, only I like more green than blue. Green than purple.
I got Sucker Punch and Cola because I haven't tried the Cola.
I like the movie Sucker Punch. I don't like pineapples though, so it's not a flavor I've tried.
Fair enough. So what do we actually talk about in vlogs?
Stuff like this.
Like this, they just kind of ramble on?
Yep, we're on our way to our haunted tunnel. Should be there in 20 minutes or so.
Give or take, yeah.
Once upon a time, on a mid-afternoon day in high sun.
This isn't how scary stories start, by the way.
No.
I'll see you guys at the tunnel, guys.
Bye.
Dun-dun-dun!
What's up, everyone?
So we took a break from our drive to stop at the Clinton Dam.
Yeah, car's over there. But yeah.
It's just pretty out here.
It's pretty. What's cool about this dam, too, is there's actually a town underneath all that water.
Mm-hmm.
They paid a bunch of workers to build this dam way back in the 1800s, and they actually flooded a whole entire town to be able to hold all this water to supply Boston with the amount of water it needed.
So here's a rumor that I was told since I was a kid from my grandparents and parents. We have nuclear warheads in there to keep them cool. I'm not sure how true that is. I'm not sure.
I really doubt that, because if any of that radiation went out, that would be poisoning a large scale amount of people.
It would.
Because if that's all of Boston's drinking supply, plus people fish out of here and eat the fish.
Oh, they can't fish out here. They have to fish out there. You can fish in areas, but
You can
can't
fish out of
here.
this pond from the other side.
Yeah. I don't know if that's true or not, but
I really doubt that one.
it was interesting to hear.
But yeah, now we'll head to our adventure.
Yeah, that's gonna be a hike. See you guys soon.
Slushies. Cube. Yeah. We're at the secret entrance. Off this cliffside.
As they hear the car drive by us. So secret.
It is somewhat secretive, though. I've driven by this 20 billion times before I knew it was here.
So this is the entrance of the tunnel. I've actually fallen off top this one time. It's a bad experience. We're being watched by people. We are being watched by people. Yeah. There's a lot more graffiti on here. There's a lot of trash. Come on, people, pick up your mess.
Look. This is the supposed haunted tunnel. Tell you, I look now, it's 20 degrees cooler. Smells like marijuana.
I don't need night vision in it yet. Must have to wear my sunglasses.
And we have an echo now.
Yeah.
There's so much going on right now.
How does people spray paint that high? Or do they just walk around like a ladder?
I believe it.
It is cause 18.
Wonderful brightness.
I don't know, but a lot of these fuckers don't know how to spell. The camera's also here for our safety, just to be on the safe side. There's like socks in here and other trash.
Supposedly homeless people.
That's true. Right now we do know that there's a bunch of homeless people who live in here. That's actually interesting. There's a few red dots on the camera. I don't know what that means.
The ghosts.
Probably. Yeah, I think I'm gonna turn night vision at this point.
Yep, switch right over. Alright, Vision?
Yep.
Here's one of the cool points to catch on.
The
So we're still in the concrete part of the tunnel, but we're just about to hit the rock part. And the cool part about it is you can actually see where some of the concrete's broken. You can see the wood beams in the wall kind of. I know it's dark, so you might not actually be able to.
again,
But
this
in
is
person,
where
you can definitely see it.
this is where the quote unquote train blew up. I don't know how true that is, but
The other thing too is when you hit this point, you can definitely see the wood beams right here.
yeah, there's
There'd be a lot
one
more
right in
damage if
front of
the train
us.
blew up right here.
I don't know, it's concrete. Concrete's pretty thick. Whoa. That was actually pretty creepy. I don't know if it was just a dirt or something, but it was like a face that just peered up in front of us. I need to rewatch that. Oh, I know, right? I did it again. I was like, it's pretty dark. Never mind. If you guys want me to come back here at like night sometime, we'll definitely do that. We'll be kind of nervous of homeless people, but that's about it. Oh, it's right there if you look. You guys can see in the oh, you kind of can. Nope. I'm about to step in puddle. There's some ice still in here.
There's always water.
Yeah, but there's some ice still on the ceiling. So you guys know it's slightly cooler in here.
But it's definitely a good way to get away from the summer heat.
Yep. I don't actually recommend that. Unless you have friends with you and you can do it
If you're
safely.
afraid you're gonna die of heat stroke and you go in and try to you will be a lot cooler in there.
You will. However, if you bring trash with you, please pick it up, because this is kind of gross.
Yeah.
I'm hopefully not shooting a Logan Paul moment right now.
What?
Hopefully we're not shooting a Logan Paul moment right now. No, that's just rocks.
We're at the part where the cave tunnel.
Oh yeah, we're here. If you guys can see, it's where
Right where I am right now is where the train tunnel ends and the cave just starts.
yeah, it's like all corroded in this area.
Hopefully we can get some like cooler shots of showing you it from when we get the outside hole.
I can also look up some Google imagery for you guys too to to share.
It's kind of funny too because right when you hit this point of the cave, it doesn't actually look like the steps you take any closer to the door.
No.
And that's the light perception from both sides.
It's very pretty on the other side too. I'm gonna show you it when we get there. I don't know if you guys can see as well as we can, but there's like a fog rolling in. It's very ominous and really spooky. I actually like it.
It kind of looks like a magic part on the other side.
Yeah, it looks like the old school border, like the.
I was thinking of like an old school door Destinies to like forest light.
Yeah, isn't that fog like so cool looking?
Kinda.
I definitely want to come back here at night now with this, see if we can see anything haunted or not.
Did you know in Tropical Islands, the creator of the card has a picture of him in a cowboy hat and a black duster in the middle of the land?
That's awesome. My favorite one is the one for Birds of Paradise, the island behind it that turns to the original card was like the blue Greenland. And
Now I'm really seeing the fog.
yeah, the fog's actually really like Halloween looking.
Tropical Islands was a blue dude.
It was a blue Greenland? Yeah, on that one, the original art was actually Birds of Paradise art. And like, well, it features just the birds, so we can't use this. And then they made Birds of Paradise, and that was what they used. What was this one? Okay, there's like some Walking Dead moment here. We hear whistling. You guys can come chase us with a barbed wire bat.
I was just on the tune to that Rising Corn song.
Maybe I can turn on. Oh, you can kind of see it.
So fucking cool.
So this is what we can see, what you guys can see right now. Only we can see a little bit more fog.
It's really cool that we can only see like a foot in front of us.
Yeah. The fog's like,
And everything looks dry and crunchy to us, but we can tell it's wet and damp.
the fog's like up to our knees. It's kind of weird. Like up to our, now it's up to like our waist. I wonder if this is like a toxic thing we're breathing in right now. Oh, it's all the way through. Oh, I think I see a turkey or something. Right there. There's something moving that's small. I think they're a small animal. I'm gonna open the mouth if you look up. That's mineral water, I guess.
Could be bad.
Very true.
That's close.
I like how like the more you walk down, the more barbaric it looks. Like it's just kind of a rude cave opening looking now.
I forgot there was the other bridge on the other side of it.
Yeah, but there's nothing in there. You can walk to it.
I've walked out this way, but it actually gets really watery really quick.
Yeah, I've walked about I think 3 miles straight, and there's another tunnel way down, but that's like half the size of this one. Maybe some other time we would do that, but right now it's just too hot.
I agree. I'd also want like some higher boots for water when we go home.
Yeah, I'm wearing military boots with, you guys know they have like air vents on like the side of them, so any amount of water would just leak in. It smells like nature.
Well, we're on the other side.
Me to the other side, we're gonna die.
Now the cave must be so much cooler.
Yeah, it looks like a barbaric like chisel and hammer coming through the cave, not like concrete and dynamite and stuff. It's probably just from corrosion. I know my mom told me this story when she was younger that it was called Frog Cave, and that's because the whole thing was filled with frogs. Yeah, look how pretty it is out here. Looks like a magic card.
Did you spray paint with a ladder? I don't know, there's a ladder over here, probably.
This is clothing and, again, trash and other crap. Right there goes first through here, and then I'm gonna go.
And I grabbed the wall.
That was not playing too good. Ooh, a bat.
And I obviously would step on this thing a little bit.
What? Oh, the wall's wet. In nature, most things are wet. And the echo's now gone. And that was a really weird sound effect. I hope that picked up on camera.
And you know you're at the end when you reach Smiley Rock.
Look at it. You get dogs barking and coyotes and everything else out here. It's awesome. Very mossy, very pretty. You want to venture a little bit down?
Sure.
Maybe just the other cave. Depending how wet it gets. I say cave and it's just like a bridge. It's like a 4-foot long tunnel.
I was saying it, but I was thinking it, but I wasn't saying anything. Copy my
Yeah.
other camera and equipment.
Maybe during the winter we can try to slide down, but at this point I don't want to get the camera ruined.
Yeah. Also maybe prepare some 2x4s and we can constantly lift them up and they move, but
Yeah, right now I don't trust it.
go without 2x4s and hold that rope. I don't want to try it.
It's very beautiful out here. It's very quiet. Very surreal.
Very buggy.
We should bring Matt here to go medic detecting. We can find some fun stuff, I think.
The first time I walked with it,
But did you go medic detecting?
I know people that have mental challenges or have closer layers of reality, so I figured if there was anything haunted, he would put them on and put them in the wood.
Oh.
And he detected nothing because I didn't even tell him it was haunted until after we got through. Because I didn't want him that tripping his mind beforehand.
Yeah.
So I kept asking questions like, "Hey, do you feel anything?
You know anything, Mr. Krabs? Do you feel anything?
Does anything seem different or off or cold or out of place with you and no one knows what's going on?"
It's so weird that we couldn't see the fog from the other side, and now we see the fog from the other side. Maybe that sentence doesn't make any sense to anyone. Like the flower?
The flowers, the crossbones, all of that. Smileys, there's a constant wall. Mojo.
I wonder if any of our friends were, you know who I'm talking about, but I wonder if they did any of this. I assume so.
Bye-bye.
Boo! Oh, it is haunted. Boo. Guys, we came to dark places. There's a smiley face on that rock. The night vision is actually kind of creepy.
So bright.
Ooh, there's a spider. JVC, it looks like, or JVS. Well, if you do need a pee, I am recording it. Well, kind of. What? The sounds, yeah. So forever ago, I used to do like beat making, because I used to hang out with a lot of bands. And there was one point in my time where I put a toilet flush in one of the songs, and no one in the band knew that it was actually me using a toilet and flushing. And I just recorded it from my iPod. It's like, that's so funny, that's great. So there's a song out there, I don't remember. I know it's by Outland Camp. That starts out with me peeing and flushing the toilet. Here's a fun fact for you guys. You know in video games, like you walk through bars and it's like, that's not how it looks. It's actually how it looks.
You get it more from this side than the other side. You might sunglasses. It's like a fake bottle right now.
Yeah, I don't know. Kind of questioning that too, if it rised or...
Oh, I don't remember the shopping cart on our way through.
What company is it? Oh, there's a puddle. I know, the turd from grabbing that. It's a hole.
How did we miss that shopping cart on our way through?
If you guys saw anything that we didn't see, let us know down in the comments below. I'm actually kind of curious.
Sorry if our voices are very echoey. We don't know what else we can do.
It's actually really cool though in here. Like, physically.
It's, yeah, it's supposed to be way cool over here.
So also a bunch of homeless people living here. I see some things, but I don't feel like a homeless person would actually live in here because it's so wet.
They'd have to live in the red.
Yeah, I feel living in the cave would actually be kind of dangerous. You get like ammonia.